Hi guys, it's Emmanuel here, and in this video I'll be going over how you can 2x your business, 5x your business without taking more leads, without paying more staff, and without spending a cent on ads. Now the funny thing about this system works for every niche you might be in. It works for roofers, it works for solar, it works for HVAC, it works for landscapers. You just have to know how to deploy this system and implement it into your business. Now this is not a video talking about how to run ads. No, this is a video talking about how you can increase your revenue just from deploying the right system. And what I call this system the customer experience operating system. Now it does two things. There are two functions of this system. The first thing is for every homeowner's review, refer you, and repeat like that. Now the first system is all about getting every homeowners to review you, to refer you, and to keep the cycle repeated like that. Then the second thing we want this system to do is to ensure that every lead and inquiry, that is every lead you have currently and inquiries from about 24 months back, we reactivate them into new jobs or conversations with your company. Now before I go over this system, now this is a live testimony from the clients I've worked with. As you can see, the first one says we closed a 47k roofing deal within 30 days from working with Emmanuel system. Now this is a live chat between me and one of my clients. Now this is another one. As you can see, we say it's, brother, we signed our second roof today. It was a referral from the lead we signed last week. We have two deals from the one lead you generated for me. My goodness, I'm so proud of you, man. So these are live testimonial from our clients, and this is the exact same system that we deployed into this client business. Now how can you implement this into your own roofing business, into your own HVAC business? Now let's further go into how you can do this. Now when you want to start implementing this system, your customer experience operating system should contain two segments. The first thing is we need to have a database of your previous clients or previous leads, homeowners. It should be something on a Google spreadsheet like this. This is one for our clients, so we just have to blow information that are very crucial and sensitive. So it could be 200 plus or 1000 plus database of previous leads. Then what we do is every client gets an auto review link sent to them. So we send this review link to every client you have worked with, every homeowners you have jumped on their roof, and we get them to review your company. Now it does two things. It boosts the organic presence of your company, and also we are getting more referrals from just doing this. And we do that by sending SMS and WhatsApp. So we have this AI integrated bots that we build and deploy. So we get AI to send out this message to them. So anything under 5-star review does not go through. So once these homeowners get to review you, anything that is under 5-star, we are taking it down from the website, because we don't want to build a bad reputation for other homeowners, new homeowners that are coming into your business. Then after that, then this client, these homeowners then receive a referral request. That is an automated incentive to track them. So we do this by sending them automated incentive. Now after that, these homeowners, they get to refer, once they get to refer a friend to fix their roof through our AI qualification system, you can just set a discount channel, something like this. As you can see, this is a live WhatsApp message. As you can see, amazing. If you bring in a friend by the end of the month, we will give you both 20% off on your normal training section. This is a gym company, but you can also implement this for roofing. As you can see, I'll say amazing. Well, friend, if you feel free to bring friends, since we have a new offer, we can throw in a free gutter cleaning for you. We are running it till around mid-July. Just by having this simple system in place, just by having this few discounts, definitely there are a lot of homeowners that want to jump on it. There are a lot of homeowners that want to refer jobs to you, and we are doing this right now for our clients. And this is what we are even getting to raise more money without even spending money on ads. That's the crazy thing about this system. Then after that is done, the new client books a job, and from there referral gets a reward. So after that referral gets a reward, then you continue to repeat the same system. So any leads that is coming in, every of your previous lead, what we do is we blast out this SMS to them, telling them that we have these offers in place. If you can refer people to us, if you give us a good review and refer people to us, we are willing to give out 50% discount on gutter cleaning. We are willing to give out 50% discount on your next roof cleaning, something like that, something simple as that. So you continue the whole process and everything gets repeated. Now on the other hand, what you get to do is to have a database of all leads plus your inquiries. Then after that, we are all about doing is we are activating this old list. Now we have homeowners list that you have most likely run ads for in the past 3 4 5 years that are forgetting about your company. Now what we are doing is we are sending a reactivation sequence that we are going to build in our CRM. And it looks like this, something very simple as this. As you can see, this is the company, Bayrock Roofing Company here. You see, been a while since your last appointment regarding replacing your roof. Are you looking to book one soon? Then the lead respond, yes, been super busy, but we'll get the appointment schedule whenever I have time for this. Now the next thing, we drop the offer to them. This month we are doing free roof inspection plus gutter cleaning for anyone that refer a friend. So when are you looking to rebook? Just from having this in place, then what you notice is that leads start to come in. Now I'm do that by creating a simple offer to get them re-engaged. So as just like I say, you can have something as simple as getting them to throw some discount on them. And this is a live example with another roofing business. You can see we are doing some work in some this area. Since you already have some reports, more than we will happy to throw in a little discount on the job. And the lead asks how much discount. So from there conversation starts, yari yari yari, and before you know, another 20k roof replacement job can be booked just from this. And the fun thing is AI does this, you don't have to struggle with doing this. Now the goal is to get a response. Then when we get a response, we can now qualify and disqualify this lead. But the goal of having to implement this system is to get a response. Imagine having a list of over 1000 homeowners. Definitely if you throw out this kind of offer, you could be, if you are even closing just 1% of it, that's about 10. So that's another 40 to 50k deal sleeping in your old list. So it's very smart enough to start implementing this system right now. Now new quotes then get booked automatically once they are pre-qualified. So AI does everything. AI send these messages, send the reactivation messages, and it does the qualification and book them automatically into your calendar, and this job is booked. Once the job is booked, it's the whole system, the whole steps is being repeated. And that is how we go. It's just like a flywheel whoop, a flywheel loop of how this system can be implemented. And that is how we are 5xing revenue for our clients without even buying new leads or begging for referrals. Now this system is a very technical system. This, the back end of how this system look like, is based something like this. This is a very technical system, but you can implement this. We can have this system implemented for you if you want to have the system in place. So as you can see, we have workflows for different stages of this lead. We have the reactivation, we have workflow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even up to, as you can see, the workflow 6 is talking about the review request when lead is moved to service. So we have the workflows and the technical system of how you can implement this right now. Now smart wise roofing business are implementing and deploying this same exact system into your business. This is what we even carry out for our clients, and just for implementing this, we are getting about 40-50 grand from implementing the system from a roofers. From there, they even get money to squeeze into ads just from implementing this system. So it is very wise and decisive to make this decision now to start implementing the same system into your business. If you want to implement the same exact system, just send me a DM or click the link in the description of this video, book a call with me, and I'll be right there to walk you through how you can deploy this system into your roofing business, into your HVAC business, wherever niche you might be in the local industry or the home service business industry. We can implement the same exact system right now. I'll be there to help you, and that'll be all for now. Bye.